What up, guys? Today we're taking the Duke out and we're gonna ride it. We're gonna do two things. First, we need to get gas. Second, we're gonna hit the highway, which is gonna be definitely interesting on a 300cc bike. 370 and some change, but you know, 300 nonetheless. Also, we're gonna try to make it to work. Hopefully we make it. They'll be really pissed if I don't. So yeah, we're gonna do all those things. We're gonna hop on, ride. Yeah, let's do it. Don't care. Like, subscribe, hype this video. More content coming because it is beautiful and sunny outside. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, well, turns out I wasn't recording, but we're leaving the gas station. Gas sucks. We put 1.6 gallons in. Hopefully that's enough to get me to work, because if not, your boy's going to be in some trouble. But my little warning light's gone, so we got some gas in her. Let's get to moving, boy. Let's make smart choices today, guys. Well, maybe. So, we got some gas in her, only freaking $9 worth of gas, which, honestly, might not be terrible. I do remember before, I could, like, actually fill her up from, like, freshly empty tank for, like, nothing. But, you know, it's okay. It's whatever. Gas prices just suck right now. Coming to a stop. We're gonna engine brake. Now we're gonna stoppity stop. Put my foot down. Oh, time to go. Ease off, and we're gone. And there's a car on my butt. I don't like it. I don't like it one bit. Car's still on my butt. They clearly ran that red light. Boy, people nowadays, god dang. To the Kia Optimas, bros. Kia Optimas just got so many places to go because they're in such an important car. Wow. He just had to be in the front of the line because, you know, he's probably an important guy in that Kia Optima XE. You know, he's not in the base model. He's in the one above the base model. Ooh. Drop down into first. No one behind me. We're on a slight hill. Let out that clutch. Oh, dude, smooth with it. I'm not gonna lie. I'm always a little bit more scared than I should be to ride my bike. But then I hop on it, and it's like, yeehaw. Riding through the city, I'm not gonna lie, is a little bit nerve-wracking. Oh, that pothole is rough. Yeehaw, boy. Felt that one from the back. We're gonna do some engine braking. We're gonna work on our downshifting. And we're gonna come to a stop. Stay on it as long as possible and foot down. Oh, dude, being out riding feels so nice. So nice. Engine temps are looking fine for now. We'll see how that changes once we get on the highway. Only downside is I can't smoke a cigarette right now. Oh boy, that sounds good. Right now we're broke, so we're on a little 300cc. Yeah, that was a little bit rough. We're gonna hit our turn signal. We're gonna get over. Coming into a turn, so we're gonna give it a little bit of lean, a little bit of gas, not too much. Now we're going onto the highway, boys. Our spot. Yeehaw! Put our turn signal, let them know we're merging in. officially made it on the highway, and our bike hasn't fallen apart yet. So we're gonna call that a win, boys. Whoa. Let her eat, baby! Yeah! Woo! God! God, that wind is something else, though. Holy balls! Volkswagen. He found us again. Look at that view. Look at that pretty view. Don't also watch the road. God damn it. This is actually so much fun. The right amount is sketchy, but fun. I try to avoid these little black tar lines because apparently they can be bad. Make sure no one's coming up on your boy. Give her a little loop. Yeah, yeah. So, I'm sure you guys just don't want to listen to me yell at the top of my lungs. So, I don't know. We're just bobbing. And it's so much fun. Sadly, I have my big boy Sprocket, so you can't get down too hard on her. Kind of chilly, not gonna lie. It's supposed to be like 67 or something out today, and I should have worn a jacket. Also, speaking of gear, do not do as I say, not as I do. Never, never get on your bike without proper gear, because that is just asking for a bad time. I am just an idiot and like to do whatever the hell I want. So yeah. Whew, my arms are tingling, boy. We got to be really careful here because we don't want to catch a light. Or we need enough time to brake if we do catch a light. So that is something we do got to be cautious about right here. Got her red, so we're gonna slow her down a bit. Dax, if you don't know who he is, go ahead, bump his music. It is a vibe. We're gonna go ahead, downshift a little bit. There's a cop. And he passed us. Yeehaw! I think that's the first cop we noticed today. Still going a little bit fast, so we'll downshift her again. Ooh. Took that a little bit more shallow than I would have liked. That was kind of bad, not gonna lie. Got distracted. Don't get distracted while you ride. That could have been bad. That car behind me is a little bit spooked. Look at that view though, boys. So beautiful. Little turn, uphill turn. We're gonna get a little bit of lean. Do not take your hands off the handlebars while turning. Fun fact. Set up for this turn. We're gonna give her some lean, and we're gonna pull through. Yeehaw! And we're good. Get back up to speed. Dude, all the bikes are out today. Yaga! Haha! Haha! So much fun! Choop choop. See if we can catch up, boys! Back up to some real speeds. Man, such a beautiful day for a ride, guys. So last time I rode my bike out here, it was dark and I ran the living life out of this stop sign. Ooh. Let him go. Man, the roads out here really suck. Like, something fierce. You would think they would be better being a bougie old people area. Like, all the houses you see out here, multi-million-dollar houses. All of them. Like, easy, for no reason. Ooh. Yeah, I always see that guy while I'm at work. All the time. And I always want to ride with him. But I do think it's an older gentleman, and he's probably not about that stupid hoon life, but we got the same bikes. I'm pretty sure his is a little 4-stroke, 450 or something. Alright, this is where it gets kind of sketchy, boys. Like, it might be hard to see on camera, but there's so many dips in this road right here. It's like, actually kind of wild. Little small boy bike, you know he lives on the island. We're probably gonna take a pit stop and top up on gas really quick, because one thing I know about this baby is my gas tank is never accurate. Never. At all. Whatsoever. taking it. Let's just top her off really quickie. Do a little bit of gravel turning. Oh, we did that smooth. God damn, these ladies out here. Ooh, I'll take an old white lady any day of the week. Like, mommy, please. Yeehaw. Such a nice day to go out and actually practice like how to ride my stupid bike so I could pass my test. But no, we got work. So lame. Hopefully I'm still recording. Oh, that bump. Ugh. Good thing my tank's so sweaty that it just slides off the bike. God dang. A little bit of a turn, we're gonna put some lean and hold. Go through. Yeah. I look baby turns. I'm not ready for those big dragon tail style turns. With these baby turns, your boy's with it. Give her some lean and go into it. There's one thing we definitely got to work on is like a little bit more angle on our turns. I like doing this, it's kind of fun. It's like swervy, swervy, swervy. Coming up to a stop. Oh, what are you doing, boy? So this part gets a little bit sketchy because of all the gravel on the road. So we got to be very mindful of all that, especially in these turns. But these slow speed turns are really good to work on my lean angle. So that's always really nice. And I would rather eat it at 30 miles an hour than 60 miles an hour. Your boy ain't in the mood for that today.